Hello everybody, welcome back to Reviews of Moose. I have another Boston Scally unboxing. This is another one of their Rose editions. They just came out with the Majestic Rose, which is in this box. I think this is the 14th Rose collection in the Rose collection. And you see Ace in the background there. How you doing, sir? You behaving? No, you don't have to come bother me. But here it is here. We're going to get it open. Okay. Ooh, get something in here I didn't think I was going to get. Let's go ahead and throw this away first. Set this box down here. I did get the pen as well for the Majestic Rose. And a lot of people were thinking this was going to be like when it was first shown, that it was going to be like the Lakers colors. I guess a little bit is, but not as much as I had thought it was going to be, and that's a good thing. But that is the pen for the Majestic Rose. And let's go ahead and give a close up with the Majestic Rose. This is it here. There's a little bit of purples, a little bit of golds, and then there's some blue in there. Let's go ahead and take the cardboard out. I don't know what the blue is from, but the inside, Majestic Rose, size medium large. Not a bad looking cap for the Rose series. I know there's people like that were like thinking like it'd be a little bit different. And I'm really hoping that the Rose, the next Rose they come out with, I mean, I'm sure it's obviously probably their best selling brand of cap or line of caps is the Rose. But kind of wish they would do something different. But again, Majestic Rose, I'm going to pause the video, show you a close-up, and I'll be right back. All right, so here's the Majestic Rose, an Ace in the background, and here is the pen. I'm going to go ahead and put the pen on there. And one thing this is the first time I've had with a Rose is that they actually gave you a dust bag with it. That's the first Rose that they have came out with where it came with its own dust bag, which is good. Because I'm going to show you something how I got mine hung up here. This is all my caps I have hanging up. Those all come with the dust bags. Of course, I got more up there. All my Dixon flannels. More of that, and then I got some more hanging up over here. So that, I mean, I like when they come with a dust panel or dust bag, because then I can just hang them on these little hooks up here. And of course, I got the single panel ones over here. All right, but yeah. So we're gonna go back to regular review, and I'll show you the cap on and see what it looks like. All right, so I'm gonna go a little bit more. There is the Majestic Rose. I do put the pin on there. Let's go ahead and try it on now. A little snug compared to some of the other Roses, but I'll just stretch this one out a little bit. Not too bad. This looks pretty good. Like I said, I wasn't knowing about how the blues and the purples and golds match, but this actually matches pretty well. Not too bad. And I have had a lot of comments about my shirt. Yep, I have shirts now that are going to be available very soon. I got 4 different versions of my shirt, and if you guys want to support the channel, I'll be doing a review on that as soon as I get them in the mail, so you guys can see what they look like firsthand. But this is the Majestic Rose. Again, this review is a Moose.